Yeah, so we can.
Hi, we are at the Bangalore in this hospital with Dr. Latha. She is a mother of one of our toppers, Lakshmi Venkatesh, and I'm going to ask her experience as a parent to a student who was about to leave her country and come to our country, Georgia, and who chose DTMU as a university. So, hi, Dr. Latha. Thank you so much for the warm welcome, and I would like to know your views about sending your daughter to new country completely, and how did you choose DTMU?
So good afternoon and thank you for giving me the opportunity. I am Dr. Latha. I'm a pediatric surgeon currently practicing in Bangalore, and yes, my daughter Lakshmi Venkatesh is a student of DTMU, and she is now in her final year. So when she was preparing for her professional course, she of course took the standard Indian examination NEET, and also got into one of the colleges in Karnataka, which is my home state. But somehow I was not happy with that college, because in India we have a few colleges which are very reputed and a few which are not so well known. So then there was a dilemma whether she would really do well as a student studying medicine if I sent her there. That is when I got to know about DTMU University from my student who was here after her studies in Georgia and had come to do internship in my hospital. So I didn't have any second thoughts. Of course, I did not know about Georgia then, although I have traveled a lot in Europe, but we just made the decision, and my daughter also was willing to go. And this was in 2018, and our first experience in the university, the way they greeted us and the way they had this introductory lecture from the dean of the university, Dr. Yuri.
Yes,
Dr. Yuri.
yes.
It was all very well laid out, and so I had told my daughter that in case she's not happy with the university or with her stay there, that she could always write her exam the Indian exam the next year.
Mm-hmm.
But no, she was not prepared. She was totally happy with the university and the way the teaching was happening there. That is how, and now she's in her final year.
Yes. Thank you so much. And I just have one small question. What would be your suggestion to the parents and the students who are in two minds to take admission, first of all abroad, and then in, because as you said, we also have many universities in Georgia.
Yes.
Right? So how to choose?
Yes. So that is a very important question. Why? Because every parent will have that trepidation, because especially in India when it is a girl child going abroad. First of all, I should tell that Georgia is such a safe country for women. I have had no problems. My daughter is very happy there. She says there is absolute security in Georgia. Secondly, it is very important that you choose a good university in Georgia, and I have no doubts about DTMU being one of the top universities there, because me being a doctor, I know how she is learning medicine in that curriculum, which is almost like perfect. Why? Because the way the teaching is happening, the way the
USMLE
yes,
program.
and it is exactly, it is like the USMLE program, and very strict curriculum and very well sort of curriculum.
Yes.
And unlike many other universities in Georgia, DTMU has got one of the most focused curriculum for undergraduate studies.
Yes. Thank
And
you.
I can see that from her, the way she approaches, because I always have interactions with her with my case studies. I talk to her every day and put forward certain, and I'm amazed at the amount of knowledge she has gained from her experience over the years in the medical college there.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And of course, I have nothing much to say about Georgia. It's a beautiful country, surrounded by God's abundance of natural beauty and very nice people, and I don't think parents should be worried to send their children to Tbilisi and also to DTMU University.
And your daughter was with us in hostel as well?
Yes, so she the first year she was in the campus which had the hostel, which is Rustavi, which is about 30 kilometers from the capital city. And she had the option of doing her entire pre-clinical from Rustavi, but within a year she got used to the place, and she managed, and she and her friends moved to Tbilisi, and they are very happy there, and they are doing the rest of they are doing that from Tbilisi now.
Yes. Amazing. So we're going to miss your daughter in a while. She's going to fly high,
yes,
like all other students.
Yes.
This year we had a great records with USMLE and PLEB and all other competitive exams, and I'm sure that she's also going to.
She is definitely. I mean, she has. Initially, she thought she will do her internship in India, but now she has decided that she wants to do her internship in Georgia itself, and at the same time prepare for her PLAB and USMLE. I don't know even if she will take the FMGE exam itself, because she doesn't really want to do any further studies in India. She's so used to that.
Yes, I'm sure she's going to clear that.
And also, DTMU is such a difficult curriculum to to pass, but so focused that I'm happy to say that with all the coaching and everything, my daughter is one of the top students.
Yes, she is. She is our top student, and she got scholarships as well.
Yes.
So yes, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity.